Hey, I'm gonna do bike check today. Okay, so I got these salt bars, which I got for Christmas with the ODIs, the red ODIs. Then got animal plastic barends. Got my Mirraco fork, which I painted black and cut the brake mounts off. Got the animal MK3 peg. Got same front wheel. Animal atken P-lyte tyre. Red wall. I think it's a really good tyre. £20, pretty good. My frame's Mirraco 5-star. It's red. I think it's a really good frame because I mean it's held up well. Got the Mirraco Cranks. Got the wellgo pedals. Pretty spinny. Then got the animal MK3 peg in red. Then got KHE back wheel, well I think it's KHE at least, not really sure, just what it said on eBay. Then I got Primo Pro tyre. I'm not sort of sure what sort of inner shoes I have, they're just ones I've got and they haven't popped, so they're good. Then got a GT seat clamp back on because it's nice and small. Then I actually just cut like some of that off and made it lower, so the seat clamp's really low. Because I just got this pivotal seat today, WeThePeople Slim. It's pretty nice, I think, so far. My first pivotal seat I've had so far. Got a salt seat post. To be honest, I think it's a pretty good deal because the seat on its own is £23, but I got the seat and the seat post for £20 and they're both brand new. So I think that's pretty good, really. Oh yeah, I've got my Mirraco stem, which I've now rawed, so it's silver because it's alloy, so it won't rust. I think it's really nice, really. It looks pretty sweet. Then I've got the top cap, headset. Let's turn my bike around. Then got blue KMC chain. Got the purple sprocket. Colour's not very good on the camera. Like with purple and blue, the blue's lighter than it is, and the purple looks blue. And got same pedal, same cranks, Mirraco ones. Then got Baby Shrek, M&M, tennis ball, M&M, and I don't know why, but I had these elastic bands on there. I actually don't know why. I think I just found a black one ages ago, and then I found a purple one, which isn't very purpley anymore. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like it, comment, add it on Facebook. Mickey Mirraco. Like spelled Mickey Mouse, so it's M-I-C-K-E-Y. Then Mirraco, which is M-I-R-R-A-C-O. There you go. That's what it's called. It's Facebook because my bike's so cool. And I also have a zip tie on my bars because that's how I like my bars. I think it looks quite cool. Yes, that's my bike. It's in the front, you know. Then let's get a side view. Yeah, the reason I cut my thing down is because I like to have a really low seat. That seat actually just came today. It's really nice. We the people. Then yeah, look up to the back, look at it from the back, you know. And we the people. I guess that's it. Subscribe, comment, rate. There should be a subscribe button there, or if you're on my channel it was over there. So yeah, be sure to subscribe. I'll have some riding videos up soon of like me doing some hops. So yeah.